maps drawn in her knitting, said every border was safe within. But I found your fingerprints on broken notes, pressed like stamps on my counsel's throat. No dagger flash, no battle cry, just silence where my brother stood and lied. You built a croon on broken trust, now watch it crumble into dust. I'll rise not with a sword in hand, but with the truth you couldn't bear. Your whispers curl like smoke through hallways wide, turn loyal lies to shifting tide. Yet in the ash of what you try to burn, I see the path you never let me learn. No chains remain, no hidden door, just open ground and something more. You built a throne on broken trust, now watch it crumble into dust. I'll rise not with a sword in hand, but with the truth you couldn't the crown was made of gold, but it was always just a mold for who I'd be when stripped and bare, not king by title, but by care. I build my throne on clearer ground, where are all that's found. No shadow speaks, no lie can stand, just open sky and clean command. Let the old walls fall, I walk through them unblinded.